Got one coming. Get this in here without buggering it all up. Ah, oh. Here it comes, here it comes. He's not blowing the horn. Oh, where is it? I heard it. Oh, it's getting nice and cool now. Oh, there it comes. Oh, goodness. I think I'm about to sneeze. Ah, shit, that's good. Shoot my sugar up, I know that. Oh, that's what I forgot to look for. You stupid deer. Dumb idiot deer. That's what they honk for. Dumbass deer. That must be what you're honking at a lot. Down there at night. That another one? There's cars in there. I don't know about that one. Yep, that one's got some in it. Looks empty. Can't tell it. That gets me dizzy looking at them like that. Holy cow. Yep, there's some in that one. That one's got something in it, I think. Conrail. Canadian National. Another Conrail. That makes me dizzy looking in there, trying to see if there's cars in there. Whew. The NSF. Conrail. Here it goes. I'm standing line. I'm going to pull you down. Last one's a Conrail. Cool. Excuse me. That's one at least. I'm pretty sure the Amtrak has come through by now, because it is... Where's my clock? I can't see it. Let me turn this on real quick. Oops. Jeez, what time is it? 7:37. It may or may not have. Most likely it did already. Yeah, that was pretty cool.